You are going to love the 2019 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.